Hey everyone, today will be another quiz. Of course, like last time, what I want to try and do is create whatever I do get. Now, since this is a horror movie monster quiz, it will take some time, so this is definitely going to be a two-part video because if I have to create the prosthetics and stuff like that, it takes a while for it to dry, so this definitely will be a two-part thing. So the first part will be the quiz, and we'll see what monster I get, who I really am on the inside, and the next video will be the outcome of what I create. So without further ado, we will find out which horror movie monster are you? The link will be in the description box below so you can try it out and definitely tell me what you get. We shall begin. Which horror movie monster are you? You find a lost kitten on the street. What do? I'm too busy to care. Find someone to take care of it. Take it to a rescue shelter. Or cuddle and make sure it's okay. Of course I want to cuddle it and love it and make sure it's okay. But I probably will end up taking it to a shelter to make sure it's properly cared for, and if I can, hopefully get the little kitty. But yeah, I will, if I can find this mouse, take it to the rescue shelter. Next. You're invited to a fancy tea party. How do you behave? I charm the host and get caught in the coat closet. I always steal one thing from every place I go. I gossip with the other guests and find out their secrets. Or I go and have a great time. I love tea parties. I don't know. Do I know everybody there? Because if I know everybody there, I'm gossiping. If I don't know everybody there, then I'll just go to have a great time. But most of the time, I wouldn't be invited if they didn't know me and I didn't know them. So I will be gossiping to find out secrets. Can this mouse get it together, please? Thank you, sir. Time for some... Let's get this shit out of me. Okay. Time for some TV watching. Which might you watch? HGTV, Comedy Central, Lifetime, Sci-Fi, or the Weather Channel? I would either do... I like 3 out of them. I like HGTV, I like Lifetime, and I like Sci-Fi. Sci-Fi has a lot of movies, so maybe Sci-Fi. Why is this computer so slow? Can you stop it? There's a huge sale at your local department store. You find what I want and switch the price tag with something cheaper. I always wear the same outfit, so I just see if that's on sale. I walk through the store randomly picking out items to buy, or just people watch until I see something I like. I walk through the store randomly picking out things to buy. You're on a first date. What happens? I tell a lot of jokes and hope my date finds me funny. I ask a lot of questions and don't share much about myself. I talk a lot about myself and don't ask many questions. I get some. Well, I will ask a lot of questions, I guess. This thing is literally flooded with ads and it's killing me because it takes forever for my computer to load the page. Alright. You just got a job promotion. From now on, you'll be the lead writer for a romance magazine, head lumberjack, construction worker, chef architect, or chief. Why did I say chef? Chief architect or morgue attendant. I would be chief architect. If you had to pick one, which concert might you attend? R. Kelly, Metallica, Rob Zombie, Wu-Tang Clan, Blue Oyster Cult, or Maroon 5? I'm gonna go with... I don't go to concerts. I'm gonna say Maroon 5. You're headed out for vacation. Where's your ideal destination? Somewhere I can party, quiet lakeside cabin. I prefer staycation anywhere in Europe. I want to partake. You're having soup and you see a fly floating in the bowl. Aw, how do you react? I attempt to rescue the fly, I watch the fly drown, I eat it anyways, or I calmly explain the situation and get my meal for free. Oh, I'm having soup at somewhere else. I thought it was at home. Well, I'd watch it drown and then I'd complain, so I'd probably watch it drown first. Final question. Of the following, which is your favorite movie? The Bridges of Madison County, can't read. Love Actually, The Goonies, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, or The Sound of Music? I don't like any of these. I mean, I guess The Goonies, but I don't even remember it. I'll go with The Goonies. Alright, I'm kind of nervous. Let's see what I get. It's taking forever to calculate. Probably for all the damn ads that it's loading up. Ah, you're taking too long, my friend. Hello? Doesn't take that much calculation. Brain fall, you're making my brain fall. It's going down, down, down. Alright, well, in the meanwhile, let's do some prediction. I did pick sci-fi and I did pick The Goonies. It's gonna be like an alien thing. Oh, what? Why do I have to click to get my result? I don't like you, quiz. Take the short survey to see your result. What is this? And of course, the camera dies. Let me make sure you focus. Pain in the ass. Stupid survey. Alright, almost done. Answer these questions. See your results. Blah, blah, blah. Please indicate your age range and gender. Oops. Oops. I am 65 and older. I'm 25 to 34, female. Continue. Oh. I don't want to answer any of these. Why do you want that information? Stalker. What are the main methods you typically use to remove hair from your body? I really don't. I'm just gonna. What? Okay. Shape. There you go. Have you purchased a bot? No, I don't know what that is. Are you a homeowner? No. Leave me alone. Hello? No. Go. No. Cleaning up. Well, I am Jigsaw. No. What? I hate this quiz. Can you go back to the answer, please? No, I don't want to share. Thank you. I am Jigsaw. I don't enjoy the spotlight, but I do like to be in control. I ultimately have good intentions, but I can be manipulative and maybe even a little bit of a bully. Oh, okay. Well, so I actually did plan on doing Jigsaw, and I kind of forgot about it, and this reminded me of it, and it works out. So you'll see the results tomorrow. Have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon, whenever you're watching, and I will start to create my Jigsaw. So I'll see you guys.